Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. Today I have this envelope from Nail Shack, this one, can't show you the other side, and I have these two bags, which I will have to get my own mailers. I don't have any more mailers, I used them all up. This is a Nail Shack giveaway. It's DIY Nail Shack, I always forget the DIY part. So I had enough to do 4 winners for the DIY Nail Shack nail wraps. If you are interested in entering the giveaway to receive, I think there's 4 in each, the cuticle pusher, the nail file, everything that I would receive, I divvied them up so that it wasn't like all purple, all blue. I like sort of spread them apart so 4 people could win. Today is Thursday, February the 10th. This will end on February 27th. And then that ends, let's see, let me flip my calendar over here. So the 27th, it ends the following Sunday, which is March the 6th. The Nail Shack, I'm just writing it in my book. The Nail Shack winners will be announced. Let me just finish writing this in here. If I don't write it right away when I do it, then I forget. And I'm like, oh, I should have a video that day. So the keyword for this is going to be simple, nails. Do you like nail wraps? You could say, my nails look best with polish. My nails love the nail wraps. Use the word nails, plural, N-A-I-L-S. I know that did knock some people out one time. I think it was with a dossier. It was scent, and people were using the plural scents, and it did knock them out because they didn't use the proper keyword. So be careful and be mindful of that in your comments. So in your comment, just use the word nails and you're entered. That's simple. And this is not staying up long. This one is up 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a few days. My giveaways always end on a Sunday, and the following Sunday is the winner announcement video. So if you're ever unsure, just check on Sunday. If there's a video and it's winner's announcement, then you're in the right spot and stuff like that. If there is no giveaway announcement to be made on a Sunday, I don't put another video up. I generally take the Sundays off. But I would appreciate all of you if you would still watch a video on Sunday, one that you haven't watched maybe, or rewatch 1 or 2. This way there's still activity on the Sunday that there is no new video. Monday through Saturday, you'll get all new videos. But that Sunday when there is no winner announcement, then like the channel goes dormant, and that does hurt the analytics, and then things drop, and then to come back, it's just a process. So if you guys would do that, I would greatly appreciate it. There are channel memberships if you're interested. There's a link in my description box. I'll also pop the video up in the iCard above me for you to watch if you haven't seen that. The birthday club, card club, if you're interested, is in there also. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. You have to be a subscriber to enter the giveaways. So if you'd like to enter the giveaways that I do medium-sized flat rate mystery boxes, 2 a month. I do giveaways like this, Facery, Nail Shack. Sometimes I just pop a small box up and fill it. Sometimes I do it with just all samples from Ipsy and Macy's and things like that. And I usually try to include masks in my bigger giveaways, and my Ipsy bags, makeup bags, and I fill it, and those boxes value is probably $400 sometimes, $300, $400, sometimes higher, depending on what's in it. So if you're subscribed, it's free for you. It means everything to me or to any creator. So please at least subscribe, even if you don't want to enter the giveaways. And you don't have to enter this if you're not interested, but you could share these with a daughter, your daughter, a friend. You could do it with your daughter, or just keep them for yourself. They're very easy to do. They do last a couple weeks on your nails, and they look pretty, all the fancy designs. I've seen it on many, many people. I have my nail polish off, getting ready to do my dip powder from Nail Boo again, and to film that later this evening, probably after dinner time, because it's about 3:30 here. So don't forget to enter and catch the other giveaways that are still open. Thanks for watching, everyone, and good luck to everyone who does enter. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.